They're about to light the next ones, I guess. Just waiting for it. Oh, there they go. They're lighting them right now. These are so loud. They're so beautiful. Oops. This was just gonna be a regular firework video. I bet everyone's gonna be like, why a firework video? And oh my god. Alright, so if anyone's watching, we're at a barbecue right now. And we're just gonna be doing fireworks. Should have vlogged the whole thing, but did not. So this is just a random video. Are they gonna light them? Oh, there they go. They just lighted another one. And another one. Alright. Ooh. Oh, about to start raining. This is gonna be like the slowest video ever. There's gonna be so much darkness in most of it. Holy shit. Whoa, that one was nice.
I know. So close. Please don't blow my face off.
I'm so glad I actually caught this on here. They're going right above us now. Next thing you know, a bunch of ashes are... Arm's getting tired. So this is when a stand comes into play. Oh no. Camera got blurry. Warning headphone users. Oh, I love those. Definitely warning headphone users. Oh, that was loud. Oh, I know, right? Yo, my ears are ringing. It sucks that the video tried to focus. I'm so sorry, everyone. That is a blurry video, but it will not let me fix that. Alright, I think I fixed it. I had to restart the video, but I can collide them both together. Now that I got a new editor. So, yay! Alright. Sorry, guys. Alright. Uh-oh, they just let a few more. There he goes. Still kind of blurry, but better than it was. See, before it was just a bunch of weird specks. Now you can actually see everything. And I apologize for half of the video being blurry. I'm just starting out again, guys.
I like the way those sound.
Those were awesome. It focused again. I got it this time. I just need to not click the screen. Sounds like next door shooting off fireworks now. You heard that one off in the distance, didn't you? I like the sparkly ones. They look pretty cool. Flick them.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, here comes another one. Oh, did they go out? I think it may have went out. I mean, it did rain out here earlier. Oh, they are shooting them off next door. Alright. They probably heard it was time. Starting to feel good out here now that it's dark though. Hold up. don't know where that one went. Got blurry, but it's not. It's not on focus, but it got blurry. Oh, there it goes. It's only the big ones they'll focus on. These are beautiful fireworks. Now I would put music in this, but then I'd get copyrighted.
Just play music in the back. Have ears play music.
No, I'd still get copyrighted. On me. There was a bug on me. Alright. I'm gonna have to add so many videos together because how many times I had to restart. Oh. Flares. I have to say this is the only way I can see it clearly because how blind I am. Yeah, and if I put them on, that will be foggy. By the way, guys, it's very hot in Georgia. That's why the glasses would get foggy, because it's hot. It's hot. Bugs are just flying on me. I know, there's so many bugs in Georgia. It's like you find a cockroach everywhere, and then you find beetles just flying all over you. This is why I need a good camera.
Yeah.
A camera would probably see this a whole lot better.
Mhm.
But surprise, surprise, I only got a phone. Sadly, the only other camera I have is digital, which takes really bad quality videos. And the other one that I have is film. Sorry it's not focusing well, guys. Dude, I'm gonna run out of storage on my phone.
Yeah, this is a long one.
Dude, every minute is almost like half a gig. And I've probably done at least, I don't know, 10 at most. I have no idea. Right?
I'm confused.
Oh no, that one went to the side.
Oh.
I'm glad that one didn't explode on the side.
Yeah.
Hopefully one doesn't fly this way. Do we need a riot shield? I'm pretty sure your dad has a riot shield.
Yeah.
Oh wait, is that more police instead of military? Isn't it police riot shields, but like military or something else? Because I don't think they need shields in the military.
I don't know.
I'm pretty sure that might be police, like SWAT team.
Yeah.
SWAT
I feel
team.
like SWAT. I don't know, maybe both. I don't know.
I think it's mainly SWAT, yeah. Whoops.
Don't mind us using fun.
Yeah, I'm not very good at noticing that kind of stuff. I'm a knife fanatic, but I am not good with military or police stuff. Yo, I should like make a video of me repairing another hatchet. Like,
Yeah.
although I would probably have to go to my granddad and figure out if he has another one I can repair.
Yeah.
And get someone to record it, of course. It's not gonna be expert, you know, because that other one wasn't that great of a repair, but I'm only 17. What would you expect? I've just started. Oh. Oh, why not? Sorry everyone who was hoping quality content, but this is not one of them. Warning, this is not what you expected. I swear, I'm gonna have to put a video in the beginning of this. Warning, headphone users, you might want to turn down your headphones. Jeez. I might have to go over this video though, like trying to make sure everything's good before I post it.
Lots of stuff to cut out too.
Yeah, everyone's gonna be like hearing me ranting most of the time. I can't cut like middles out. I can only trim the video down from each end. I'm not that good. I'm not that good at going between videos and stuff. Is that it? That's it. Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everybody. So yeah, this was a video with just a bunch of fireworks ranting in the background and all that kind of stuff. You probably didn't hear us that well, but me and my friend, we were just out there. Me and her were just talking about the fireworks and how my videos are so bad. But also, after that, we went to go back over there at the end of it. And I ended the video there because I thought it was over. But luckily, my camera started recording again. Well, my phone started recording while it was in my pocket. And you won't believe what was said. But I'm gonna put that in the end of this video and then put my outro. So I'm just signing on this last part. It's 12 a.m. Just saying, this was the video for today. Very sorry I haven't been uploading much, and sorry it's not great quality. My phone was messing up a good bit. I accidentally hit focus a few times and kind of messed up. But yep, this is the ending, and roll the end. I don't think anyone saw that because literally it was dark. We were recording a video.
That's what I used to say when I was your age.
I know, right?
So you drove right to the doctor and he gave you that medicine when you were sick.
But it never goes away. I'm going to have it forever. I want to see that video.
It was so bad because
No, I want to see that video.
it kept like going blurry. It kept going blurry.
Only the video.